The notion that you have to create videos from scratch to be successful on YouTube is false. You can make money on the platform without making videos, with step-by-step, actionable steps. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 4. Select your niche. Selecting your niche is the first and most important part of posting content on your YouTube channel. You may be wondering what a niche is. A niche is a segment of interest that appeals to a more specific population. Now, most YouTubers advise you to follow your passion. And while there's nothing wrong with that, your passion is the last thing you should be following if it doesn't have the potential to make you money. You could be passionate about counting sea salt granules, which, besides making you $0, would be wasting precious time that you could use to do something worthwhile. To make money on YouTube, you must settle on one of the popular niches. A good niche should allow you to monetize in more than one way. Be evergreen. This means that it should always have content ideas and not run dry. Earn you more money for every 1,000 views. Some niches earn you more money for every 1,000 views than others. Have other viral videos. Having other viral videos in that niche confirms its popularity. Therefore, you know it's working. That said, some niches measure up to all the above indicators. These niches are very profitable if you have an interest in one of them. You could be digging a potential gold mine. They include health, psychology, tech, finance, and pet niches. It's important to choose a niche you're interested in so that you can stay motivated even when things are not working so well with your channel. For example, if you're into technology topics, choosing a health niche may not be the best option for you. This is because you get bored of doing something that you don't have an interest in, which could potentially cause you to give up on your channel prematurely. It's super important to love what you do, even when it's not your primary passion. Making a selection gives you a solid ground on what to base your content on. Number 3. Explore other channels with the same niche. Let's go with the tech niche for this video. After you've made your niche selection, the next step is to research your competition to see how their channels and videos are doing and how they've done their content. To do that, head over to YouTube and search your niche to find the channels that upload your type of content. For example, Tech Insider is a technology channel that shows you how tech stuff works. And they've made a name for themselves without even making videos. According to Social Blade stats, the channel gets 13.73 million views every month, and their estimated earnings are $659,000 a year in revenue. This means that the content of the channel is working because it gets tons of reviews, and the chances are that the channel makes more than the estimated amount. The videos they generate are easy to do and don't require big, expensive equipment. For example, if you look at one of their videos, you find that they have images of the tech gadget they're talking about in that video, and a voiceover. No fancy things and complicated technology explanations and terms. And some of their videos have been viewed over 62 million times. Another tech channel that does great is Future Tech. This channel posts about tech gadgets such as Sense gloves, quadrupled robots, among other tech gadgets. With 146,000 views a month and 253 million overall video views, it doesn't seem like the channel's doing too bad, right? And the last channel we will look at in the tech niche is Tech Joint. This channel, like Future Tech, promotes gadgets and leaves the links to those gadgets in the description, which makes them more money in the alternative monetization methods we'll talk about later in this video. According to Social Blade stats, Tech Joint's monthly views are over 4.5 million. Researching other channels that create videos in the same niche as you allows you to see what's working and what's not. And it helps you avoid pitfalls and embrace the strengths. Before YouTube became awash with tutorials and successful channels, creators used to upload trial and error videos. But you have your work cut out for you, because all you need to do is click on someone else's video and see how they've done it and how well it's performed, and create something better. Before we continue, make sure to stay focused, because the following steps are going to be a game changer for you. Number 2, produce videos. After you've checked out your competition and learned what works and what doesn't, you can now start producing your own videos. You can create videos without making them yourself by using a few methods. And the most amazing part is that these methods are not rocket science. They're pretty easy to use, and some require you to have advanced tech skills. One super easy method you can use is by utilizing the free stock images. You can find these images on Pixels or Pixabay and get free images and videos to use on your video. If you go to the Pixels website, you can explore their content. And the good thing is, they have both the video and image categories. You can use their free images that don't require you to give any attribution to the owner of the images. The same case applies to their videos. You can find great videos to use on your channel that are associated with your niche. If you want a vast category, you use premium services such as iStock that charge you to use their images and videos. Another site you can use to get more photos is Storyblocks, which charges you a monthly fee when you use their royalty-free photos and videos. Editing your videos is also a breeze, with so many video editors that work awesomely. Editors such as InVideo, OpenShot, HitFilm, among others. Your work just got simplified. What you can do is go to your popular competitor and go through their videos. The secret is sorting them by the most popular and looking for a video you can use to remake your own version of it. The purpose of going to the popular section is because, well, if those videos have worked for other people before, chances are they will work for you too. But you should not copy and paste someone else's work and pass it as your own. YouTube has their eyes open and they can see you. Copy pasting can cause you to get YouTube strikes. Getting your third strike within 90 days could mean permanent goodbye from the platform. Instead, take notes of the video you want to remake and write it in your own words. After you've hit your word target, which is typically 1,800 words, you can record your voiceover. We know you're wondering why you should write 1,800 words. Well, this number allows you to create a video that's at least 10 minutes long, which is recommended if you want YouTube to push your videos. Creating your voiceover doesn't have to use fancy equipment. You can simply use your phone or buy a cheap microphone. Also, you can get free music from YouTube Audio Library to use on your video. Look for music that has no attribution required, so you don't have to credit anyone for using their music. The second way you can generate videos is by getting someone else to do it for you. You can get script writers, video editors, and voiceovers on freelance websites, such as Fiverr or Upwork for cheap. You can hire one person to do all the work for you, or you can hire different people depending on what you want to be done by whom. The third way is by creating whiteboard videos. These are videos that use illustrations to tell your story. You can use software such as Doodle Maker or Video Scribe to have your story told. Before we get into the number one, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1. Start making money on YouTube. But how do I make money from all this? We'll tell you how. After you've lined up your channel and have your content already uploaded, it's time to make some green paper. But first things first, for you to monetize your channel, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. With this, you can monetize your channel and start getting ad revenue. But there are 3 main methods by which you can start making money on YouTube. 1. Ad revenue. You can start earning money through ad revenue by partnering with advertisers. This allows you to show their ads on your videos and start making commissions depending on how people watch the ads on your channel. The more ads that play, the more money you earn. 2. Sponsorships. YouTube sponsorships. With a sponsorship, you become the brand ambassador and advertise their product or service before your video begins. You may have pre-recorded the promotion of that service or product and have to play it before your video starts. You earn a commission for your work promoting the brand, and you also get other perks in terms of free brand products. 3. Affiliate marketing is a way of earning money when someone uses your promo code to buy goods or services. This is called a referral link that leads back to the original product website. And when someone uses your unique code to purchase something, you earn a commission. You can find these promos on websites such as Amazon. For example, let's say someone watching your tech videos comes across a tech gadget he wants to buy and uses the link you left in the description. When he buys the tech gadget, you earn a commission. The potential buyers of products you're promoting are 1%. If you have 50,000 views on that video and sell a product that pays you $50 every time someone buys using your code, you would take 50,000 times 0.01, which equals 50 people buying the product using your link. If you multiply that with a $50 commission, you earn $2,500 on that video alone. For example, TechJoint reviews gadgets and also shows people how the gadgets work, but they also leave links in their description to encourage people to check them out. If someone buys a gadget using that link, TechJoint earns a commission. You can imagine how much money they get from it. You don't have to reach the required subscribers and watch time criteria to start earning money. You can start earning money today with this method. When you start earning ad revenue, it will just compound the money you're already earning. Make sure to check out the next video. You're going to get a ton of value from this one. See you there.